Welcome. Today our discussion is on inverse circular function part 2. Let us take the first problem, which is sine inverse 6x by 9 plus x square is equal to options tan inverse 2x by 3, tan inverse x by 6, 2 tan inverse x by 3, and tan inverse x by 3. So we have to find the value of this, and options are that. All options are, you see, in terms of tan inverse. So we have to try to express this in terms of tan inverse of something. We know that sine inverse A is equal to tan inverse A by root over 1 minus a square. It is a formula, or very easily we can deduce that if it is theta, so tan inverse theta, sine inverse theta sine inverse A is equal to theta. So sine theta is equal to A. Sine theta is equal to A. But to express it in terms of tan inverse A, find tan theta. It is theta. It is actually A. That is A divided by 1. Oh, sine theta, height divided by hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras theorem, it is equal to 1 root over of this square minus that square, 1 minus a square. So that tan theta is equal to, tan theta is height by base. So A divided by 1 minus this tan inverse, that is A divided by root over of 1 minus a square. Hence theta, this is theta. So theta is equal to tan inverse of that. Theta is equal to tan inverse of this one. This is a formula. Try to keep in mind. So using that, we get sine inverse 6x by 9 plus x square. It is equal to tan inverse A means whole thing, 6x by 9 plus x square divided by root over of 1 minus 6a by 9 plus x square whole square is equal to tan inverse 6x by 9 plus x square whole divided by 1 into that is under root 9 plus x square whole square, that is 81 plus x to the power 4 plus 8, it is 18 x square, 9 into minus 6x whole square by 9 plus x square. They will be cancelled, this and that. So it is equal to tan inverse 6x by, it is actually root over 9, but 9 square, I mean 81, that is 9 square plus x square whole square minus 18x square. It is equal to 6 tan inverse 6x divided by root over of 9 minus x square whole square. So whole square and under square root, it is equal to 9 minus x square. So we get this one is equal to tan inverse that, but it is not matching with options. This can be simplified as tan inverse divide throughout by 9, 6x by 9 by root by 1 minus x square by 9 is equal to tan inverse. This is after cancelling by 3, 2x by 3 divided by 1 minus x by 3 whole square. It is of the type tan inverse 2 theta by 1 minus theta square. So it is 2 tan inverse x by 3. And this option, it match with that option. So answer is C. That means this. Now, next problem. The range of A for which sin inverse x is equal to 3 sin inverse A is solvable. We have to find the range of A for which this equation is solvable. So options: minus half, half, these are the options. Now it is given that sin inverse x is that, but sin inverse x must lie between minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, so that it can be written as minus pi by 2 less than or equal to x. That is, just 1 minute. That is 3 sin inverse A must lie within minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Divide by 3. So minus pi by 6 less than or equal to sin inverse A pi by 6. Now A is greater than or equal to sine of minus pi by 6, and sine A is less than or equal to sine of pi by 6, but sine pi by 6 is half, sine minus pi by 6 is minus half. So minus half, half. So this option is correct. Next, again solve for x. value of x if sine inverse 3 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to root 3 by 2. Options: 2 plus 3 root 3 by 5, 4 minus 3 root 3 by 5, 10, 4 plus 3 root 3 by 10, 2 minus 3 root 3 by 5. So this is given one equation involving one unknown x. We have to find x. So from this we can say that this is equal to sine inverse that. So sine inverse 3 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to sine inverse root 3 by 2. Sine inverse root 3 by 2 is nothing but pi by 3. So we get cos inverse x is equal to this minus that, pi by 3 minus sine inverse 3 by 5. So from here x is equal to cos of that, cos of pi by 3 minus sine inverse 3 by 5. Now we have to simplify it in these terms. It is of the type cos A minus B. So cos A cos sine inverse 3 by 5 cos A cos B plus sine A sine 3 by 5. Now cos pi by 3, this value is known, and cos of sine inverse 3 by 5, its value is root over of 1 minus, we can get it from there. It is actually root over of 1 minus 3 by 5 whole square. Suppose this is A. So sine A is equal to 3 by 5. Height by. Now by Pythagoras theorem this must be 4. So it is equal to cos of A. Cos A means 4 by 5 plus sine pi by 3 means root 3 by 2, and this is 3 by 5. Now simplifying, we get 10, 4 plus 3 root 3. 4 plus 3 root 3 by 10. Option C is correct. Next, tan inverse sine 2 minus 1 divided by cos 2 is equal to pi by 4 minus 1, 1 minus pi by 4, 2 minus pi by 2, pi by 4 minus 2. Here given expression tan inverse sine 2 minus that by cos 2. This sine 2 and this 2, they are not in degree, they are given in terms of radians. So this become tan inverse sine 2a 2 theta 2 into 1, that is it is equal to 2 sine 1 cos 1 minus 1 is equal to sine square 1 plus cos square 1 by, this is cos 2 into 1, so it is cos square 1 minus sine square 1. It is equal to tan inverse, it is cos 1 minus, it is taking minus common, just 1 minute, taking minus common, cos square 1 plus sine square 1 minus 2 cos 1 sine 1. So cos 1 minus sine 1 whole square by, it is cos 1 minus sine 1 into cos 1 plus sine 1. It is tan inverse minus cos 1 minus sine 1 cos 1 minus sine 1 cancels. So cos 1 minus sine 1 divided by cos 1 plus sine 1 is equal to tan inverse sine 1 minus, absorb it, so sine 1 minus cos 1 divided by cos 1 plus sine 1. Now dividing by cos 1, this become tan inverse of tan 1 minus 1 means tan of pi by 4 divided by 1 plus 1 into tan 1, that is 1 means tan pi by 4 into tan 1, tan 1, so that it is equal to, within bracket it is tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B, so that it is equal to tan inverse tan of 1 minus pi by 4. So tan inverse tan theta, it is simply 1 minus pi by 4. So second option is correct. Next problem. Boka. Solve for x. Sine of sine inverse 3 by 5 plus cos inverse x. Oh, I have already done it just now. Value of cot inverse half minus half cot inverse 4 by 3 is equal to options pi by 4, pi by 2, cot inverse 3 by 2, cot inverse 6 by 5. Answers are in terms of cot inverse something or a constant pi by 4, pi by 2, etc. Now simplify it. Taking half common, this is equal to 2 cot inverse half minus cot inverse pi by 3 half of 2 tan inverse 2. Cot inverse 1 by 2 is equal to tan inverse 2 minus cot inverse 4 by 3. 2 tan inverse 2 means tan inverse 2 plus tan inverse 2. So that it is equal to, it is again tan inverse 2 plus tan inverse 2. Formula is if x into y is greater than 1, in that case formula is pi minus tan inverse 2 plus 2 divided by 4 minus 1 xy, tan inverse x plus y divided by xy minus 1, that is equal to pi minus tan inverse 4 by 3 minus cot inverse 4 by 3. Now it is equal to half of pi minus, taking minus common, tan inverse 4 by 3 plus cot inverse 4 by 3, that is tan inverse x plus cot inverse x, nothing but pi by 2. So that it is equal to half pi by 2, that is pi by 4, answer. First option is correct. Next, the value of cos sin inverse minus root 3 by 2 plus cos of tan inverse 3 by 4 is equal to 4 by 5, options 13 by 5, 13 by 10 and 10 by 13. Now let us simplify one by one. It is cos of sin inverse minus that. So minus sin inverse root 3 by 2 plus, try to make it tan inverse this, cos inverse something. It take, for that purpose, take tan inverse 3 by 4 is equal to A. So tan A is equal to 3 by 4. Tan A is 3 by 4. That is, in that triangle, A 3 by 4. So by Pythagoras theorem, this is 5. So cos A will be equal to 4 by 5. So A is equal to cos inverse 4 by 5. Now tan inverse 3 by is A. A is equal to cos inverse. So it is equal to cos of cos inverse 4 by 5. So that it is equal to cos of minus pi by 3, this one, plus cos of cos inverse, this means 4 by 5. But it is cos function is even function, so that it is equal to cos pi by 3 plus 4 by 5. It is equal to cos 60 degree is half plus 4 by 5. Adding, we get 10 is LCM, 5 plus 8, 13 by 10. So this option is correct. Our next problem. Sec tan inverse minus 5 by 12 is equal to 13 by 10, 13 by 12, 12 by 13, and 5 by 13. It is equal to sec of minus tan inverse 5 by 12. Now 5 by 12, how much? Let us see. Cos inverse of how much? It is, say, A. Tan inverse 5 by 12 is equal to A. So tan A is equal to 5 by 12. So that it is 5, this is 12. And that must be 144 plus this, so 13. It is 13. So cos of cos A is equal to 12 by 13. So that it is equal to sec of minus theta, it is sec theta, sec of tan inverse 5 by 12 is equal to sec of A means cos inverse 12 by 13. It is sec of sec inverse 13 by 12. So answer is 13 by 12. So this one is correct option. Next. Sin inverse cos of sin inverse 1 by 3 plus cos inverse sine of cos inverse 1 by 3 is equal to pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 6, pi by 2. So it is sine inverse 1 by 3. Actually, it will be cos inverse of root over 1 minus 1 by 3. And if we try to find it directly, let us take sine inverse 1 by 3 is equal to A. So sine A is equal to 1 by 3. So cos A is equal to root over of 1 minus 1 by 9, that is root over of 8 by 9. So it is sine inverse cos of sine inverse cos of A is cos inverse root 8 by 9 plus cos inverse by same approach, same argument like that, it is cos inverse sine of cos inverse cos of that sine inverse root over 8 by 9 by same approach. So that is equal to sine inverse root over 8 by 9 plus cos inverse root over 8 by 9. That is sine inverse x plus cos inverse x, and x's are within domain less than 1. So it is equal to pi by 2. So option is pi by 2. Next. The value of cos of pi by 3 plus cos inverse minus half is equal to half minus half 1 and minus 1. That problem is very simple. It is cos of pi by 3 cos inverse minus half. Actually cos minus half is at 2 pi by 3. So cos inverse minus half is 2 pi by 3. So it is 2 pi by 3. Now they together is pi. So cos pi is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 is answer, fourth option. Acha. Acha, okay. Today is up to this. In next class, we will take a few more problems. By this time, I tell you, if you feel that these videos are helpful for you, then please like it, share it, and subscribe it. Thank you.